Hello and welcome to Asata's Acknowledge Base. In this video, we learn to how can use the file manager at the cPanel. Okay, after the login, you see this panel, and in the file part, click the file manager. Open the new tab. Okay, for the upload anything for your website, you must click the upload in the public underline HTML. Okay, let's go to this folder, and this directory is empty because the test website. Okay, for the create a file, you can click this, the new file, type anything, for example my tests, and create new file. And you can use the edit with the edit part. But very important, for the use the which file is your important of the your file. For example, if you like to create the HTML file, you must type the .html. Okay, I delete it and say the another part. Okay, create the folder. You can create the folder, for example my tests, and create a new folder, and you can see the create a folder in this root of your website. I click the file and create the HTML file, for example index.html, and create a file. You can see this. Okay, for upload, you can click the upload and select the file from your computer and upload this. Or when the select the file, you can download it or move copy. Copy is I click the copy, for example slash copy to my tests, copy file, and you can see the index.html file in the my test folder. Okay, or I delete it, and I like to move the this file to my tests. Okay, click to move and type the my tests, move the file. You can see the index.html is not in the root directory and it's here. Okay, you can delete the file. When you click the file, if the non-click the skip the trash and penalty to delete file, and type click the confirm, the file is deleted from your folder or root website, but you can see that your file in the trash. Click the view trash and you can see it, and the restore options is on, and I click it. When I go to back in the public underline HTML slash my tests, the file is here. But when I click the delete and skip the trash, the folder is deleted and not restored.   restored  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  restored   restored   restored   restored   restored   restored   restored   restored   restored   restored    restored     restored    restored    restored    restored   restored   restored   restored   restored   restored   restored   restored   restored   restored   restored   restored   restored   restored   restored   restored   restored   restored   restored   restored   restored   restored   restored   restored   restored   restored   restored   restored   restored   restored   restored   restored   restored   restored   restored   restored   restored   restored   restored   restored   restored   restored   restored   restored   restored   restored   restored   restored   restored   restored   restored   restored   restored   restored   restored   restored   restored   restored   restored   restored   restored   restored   restored   restored   restored delete for anytime. Okay, let's go to rename options. You can rename your websites, your file, sorry, or I click the edit. The edit, what's the difference with the edit and HTML editor? The edit, you can edit any codes. Okay, see this, edit. Okay, I don't have any code here, but I close it. But I click the HTML editor. You can see it, the HTML with any options. You can see it. For example, my test website, and we can see it. The code is automatically typed here, and click the save and close it. The permissions, you can set the permissions from this file. You can edit anything. View, you can view your file. Compressed, you can compress your files in the cPanel control panel. You have three options: zip archive, gzip archive, and bzip to archive. For test, I click the zip archive and compress the file. Compression results is okay. 21% deflated, and close it. Okay, when I upload the compressed file from the upload options, you can extract to your folder or your root website with the extract options in the cPanel. Okay, I delete it and skip the trash and confirm. Okay, I click the extract, and the says would you like to extract this file to this address? I say yes. This is okay, and extract the file, and you can see the index.html file in the my tests folder. Okay, in this video I see how can use the file manager in the cPanel, and I wish best for you. Have a great time.